Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our business plan specific for a pet grooming business. In this video, I'm just going to walk through the document just to give an overview of what we do and sort of the look and feel of our work. All of our business plans have an automated table of contents. The final deliverable, final deliverables consist of a Word document, the PDF of the business plan, as well as the financial model. So if there's any time where you want to add any of your own content in, you can do so, and these page numbers will automatically update for you. We always start with the executive summary outlining the operations of the business. Right off the bat, this is a fictitious plan. We never release any prior client work, so this was developed just to be shown as a sample. We always do a full 5-year financial model in every plan we do, and this is expanded towards the end of the plan. Chapter 2 is an overview of the amount of capital that's being sought and how you intend to use those funds. Followed up with a discussion of the ownership summary, potential exit strategies. Chapter 3 is an overview of the services offered. In this case, we discuss pet grooming, sales of pet products, as well as potential development of mobile operations. All of the work we do is done specifically for the needs of each client. So if there's anything that you're doing that's in addition to this, again, everything we do is done specific for your needs. Chapter 4 is an overview of the organization, registered name, when the business will start its operations, mission statement, vision statement, and organizational objectives. Chapter 5 is the market and industry analysis. We always discuss the economy, the industry, targeted demographics. We always take a look at the population as well as the median income of the market. Competitive analysis. This is intentionally very short because this is just a fictitious business. I didn't want to put the names of actual companies in here. If this was for an actual client on business plan, we would discuss the competition that would be within your local market. Key strategic issues, discussing growth, the marketing plan. We always segment the revenues as well between pet grooming service and product sales. If you have other revenue streams, for instance, if you're also doing, let's say, mobile services, we would include those here as well. We can include any number of additional revenue streams depending on exactly what you're looking to do. Following up with the marketing strategies, organizational overview, headcount and payroll. Then we do a full financial plan over a 5-year period, just initially discussing the underlying assumptions, sensitivity. Here's the 5-year profit and loss statement. The common size income statement, which is a comparison of the expenses as compared to revenue. Cash flow analysis. Balance sheet. Break-even analysis and business ratios. SWOT analysis, which overviews the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Risk analysis. And then we have obviously the reference sources. We use both public and private information sources, always which are listed here. And then in year 1, we break down the profit and loss monthly. And I don't want to give you a headache, but I'll go a little bit quick. Year 2 monthly, year 2 quarterly, year 3 quarterly, 4 quarterly, and 5 quarterly. Same deal for the cash flow analysis, broken down monthly for the first year, and I'll just scroll through very quickly. Then through years 2 through 5 is done quarterly. And then in the event that you're seeking a business loan, we always include the anticipated loan repayment schedule as well. In this case, we did a 10-year loan at 7%. If you were raising capital from an investor, this would be slightly different because we would talk about their return on investment and not just the repayment of principal with interest. And that's essentially it. Typically, it takes us about 7 to 8 days to do the first draft of any business plan that we can do for you. If you're interested in learning more about our services, please take a look at the link below. And thank you very much for taking a look.